Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to crop an image in Gimp. So if you're using Gimp, I don't know which version you're using, but I think I'm using one of the latest versions. So we're going to use Linux. So this is the image I want to crop. But anyway, what you do, we're gonna start from the scratch and we put all these things down. So if it said discard, discard changes, you cancel that. You can go to Facebook or to Gmail and download one of the images you want to crop. So I have my own image somewhere here, but it doesn't mean you can't go to Facebook or to Google to get any image you want to crop. So remember, Gimp is closed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my images and I get this image and I say open with other application, then I select Gimp. Once I select Gimp, it's gonna open. Let's give it some couple of seconds. It's not a slow program, it's a very fast program, so you can open your image like that. So but then we want to customize this image. We don't want this thing down. And maybe you don't want the part up here. Whatever part you don't need, you can crop it, or you need only to get this image here. Yes, you can click on the crop tool, then you select where you want to. You can see this is a star. You can select where you want. This is a cross. You select it to start from there. You see, I'm taking out that part, so I might not like that part. So if I say enter, so it means I cropped only that one. I can say control undo, then I undo all the changes. If I was not, just you control Z, that's gonna put you into the changes you want to do what to do. So after that, what you're gonna do, if you undo whatever you don't want to do, you're gonna do what? You're gonna crop again what you want to crop. So when you crop again, simply means you're gonna do the right job. So whenever you make mistakes, you just on your keyboard control Z, so it's gonna take you back to the right stuff. You get me? So now let's say like you made a mistake, we're gonna go back and click on the right stuff. So click here, and I want to cut here where there's this bus. I'm cutting the bus. I go down until here. So after that, you just click enter. You can see that your image is fine. You cut exactly on the bus and there's no word which was cancelled. So that simply means your image is done for cropping. After cropping your image, what do you want to do? You're gonna do one thing. You're gonna export your image to save it like the way you want to save it. So what you do, you go here up, you can go up there and you do what? You click on file like this, like this. You click on file, then after clicking on file, you do go down and say export as, or export if you have that option. You can delete that name, then you put your name, that how to, you can say how to crop, how to crop an image in Gimp. Maybe you can put 20. After that, you select which folder you want to put in, and you export. Once you export that, it will give you this save color profile, save thumbnail. So you leave everything the way it is. You don't need to customize it. Then you say export. Once you export that, you can go back here and you can see how to crop. That image is exactly what we wanted to use. And now once you click on that image, we can open it and can see this image is way much different from this image. You can see this image has this top white bar, and also on this girl down here, this part is still there, but in the new image we took out that part, and we can see the difference now between the two images here on the screen. You can see, look at the right hand side, whereby we have this white stuff here, and on the left hand side you can see the image cut on top of the bus. And if we go down here, you can see this part, this one, it was cut, it's still there, but on the left the part was cut off and until here. So you can play with the images, and you can see the difference now. Exactly what I wanted is what I got. So we can do another, we can do it, we can cut it a little bit more to show you that, just for people who would like to see how I did it. This time I don't want the bus, I want to start cutting from here. You saw I click the what they call the tool, which is called the crop tool. After that, highlighting, then you just click enter on your keyboard. You can see I have this now, and I'm going to export it as last crop for Gimp 2020. Okay, then we're gonna save it, and also we're going to say okay. Once we see okay, quality, you can see, you can leave everything the way it is and say export. Once we export that, we're gonna see the difference between the three images. You can see this, where it starts, this one it has a bus, and this one it has a top white stuff on the bus. So it depends if you want to do a poster, which one you're going to use exactly. So the one with the bus, in case you don't want that bus, can go. Even if you don't want this girl, you can crop that girl out, and if you don't want this part down, you can take it down, so that you get the perfect image. Sometimes when you're using Linux, it's difficult sometimes to have a lot of easy image editing softwares, but thanks God we have Gimp. You can play with Gimp and do a lot of things. The same thing you can do in Photoshop, you can do it in Gimp. As long as you become good at using that software, you're going to be happy. So you can see the three images. There's a lot of a huge difference between this one, and this one. So I think this is the perfect for me to use this as my advertisement for this product. So that was the tutorial, guys, for how to crop an image in Gimp. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.